Once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits: Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter.
You may go into the fields or down the lane, but don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden.
Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail were good little rabbits. But naughty Peter ran to Mr. McGregor's garden.
He ate lettuces, beans, and radishes. Oh, how delicious they were!
Stop, thief!
Peter was so frightened. He lost his shoes and even his little jacket. At last, Peter found the gate and squeezed under it, just in time.
Peter was sent to bed with chamomile tea. But Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail had bread, milk, and blackberries for supper.